everyone. Jai Mallar Rural Non-Agriculture Cooperative Credit Society located in Patre operate with an annual turnover 1 crore. It focus on providing financial service to rural. It focus on rural non-agriculture community including small businesses owner and self-employed individuals. Core services saving account, fixed deposit and a low interest loan scheme. Strong local presence and trust and trust within the community. Wide distribution network ensuring accessibility. Opportunity expansion through digital service like mobile bank, catering to understand rural and semi rural areas. Challenges: economic variability